Hey Dallas, it's Heather with Uptown Apartment Locators, and come check out this beautiful townhome community that I found near Preston Hollow and Highland Park. This community is fully gated, comes with many different 1, 2, 3 bedroom townhomes, and they have some single family homes for rent as well. And I absolutely just fell in love with the layout of this particular 3 bedroom townhome. I mean, that loft space, so much to do with it. Office, playroom for the kids, theater room. This is your primary suite. All your primary suites are going to come with massive closets, this shower and tub combo, and all of your finishes are going to be the same throughout any floor plan that you choose. Up here on the 3rd level is going to be where your additional bedrooms are. This could be for guests, this could be for children, this could be for roommates, but all of them come with very large attached bathrooms and, again, large closets. Every floor plan here also gets 1 month free on a 12-month lease, which for this area of town, honestly, it's so hard to find this awesome of specials and new builds. So if you're interested, DM or text me by screenshotting and I'm here.